Bill that would prohibit abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected moving forward in the Tennessee House. House Bill 77, often referred to as the heartbeat bill, cleared the Public Health Subcommittee on Wednesday and has now been referred to the Health Committee. The Senate version of the bill was referred to the Senate Judiciary Committee last week. Now, the representative sponsoring the bill says a fetal heartbeat is typically detectable about 6 weeks into pregnancy. The bill does include an exception for emergency medical situations. Last year, a very watered-down version of the bill passed. It required that if an ultrasound is performed before an abortion, the woman must be offered the results of that ultrasound. Now, if this year's bill becomes law, it is expected to face legal challenges.